Chapter 3: The North Wind and the Sun. On the first page, there is a warm up exercise. Color the things that are being blown away by the wind. Children, you can do it as your homework. Okay? This is a fable about the wind and the sun. Now, children, what is a fable? Fables are stories that teach us something important, a moral. They are usually about animals or nature. Now, here in this story, the story is about nature, that is, the north wind and the sun. So, this story will give us some moral or some important message. So, now let us read and find out what happens when the north wind and the sun they meet. It was a very cold winter morning. Just when sun decided to travel across the sky, a freezing blast of wind roared and nearly blew him along with it. Soon, Sun realized that it was none other than the grumpy north wind. What happens? It was a very cold winter morning. The sun decided to come up on the sky. And then what happened? Suddenly, the freezing blast of wind roared and nearly blew him along with him. That means the wind that blew was very strong wind blew and nearly blew the sun with it. Then the sun understood who it was. Sun realized that it was the grumpy north wind. Grumpy means angry. Sun realized that it was that angry north wind who blew so fast. Out of my way, sun, hurled north wind. The north wind shouted loudly, "Go out of my way," like that. "Why do you have to be grumpy and cause trouble to all the time?" said sun. The sun asked north wind, "Why do you have to be so angry all the time and all the time troubling people? What is it? Why can't you be happy and quiet?" North wind said, "I am strong. I rule over winter. There is no one as powerful as me. I can blow away ships, trees, and almost everything else," boasted the north wind. North wind was very proud. Okay, children? He said, "I am very strong. I rule over the winter. I make it very cold. Hai? And there is no one as powerful as I am. I blow away all the ships, trees, and everything, almost everything." The north wind said, "I am so strong that I can blow away almost everything." He boasted. He boasted means he was proud about what he was doing. "But I too rule over summer. I give heat and light to everyone. Plants, people, and animals would die without me. Surely I am the one who is more powerful," claimed Sun. Now the sun said that I also rule over summer. If you rule over winter, then I rule over summer, and I give heat and light to everyone. Yes or no, children? We get heat and light from the sun. All the plants, people, animals, we will all die if we don't get that heat and light from the sun. Plants make food with the help of the sun? है ना? So the sun said, surely that is why I am more powerful than you are. Isn't it so? So let's read further. You sit in the sky and do nothing except shine. But I am full of force and energy, said North Wind. While they were arguing, a man passed along the road wrapped in a heavy winter coat. Now, what happened? The North Wind said, oh, what do? You don't do anything. You are only sitting in the sky and you don't do anything except for shining. You are only shining. You don't do any work. But I am full of force and energy. I am more strong. I have got a lot of energy. I have got a lot of force. North Wind said to the sun. Now, at that particular time, when they were talking and discussing and or arguing among each other, the North Wind and the sun, there was a man who was passing by on the road, and he was wearing a very heavy winter coat. In the winter it was very cold, so he was wearing a very heavy coat to keep himself warm. Okay, children, now let's turn to the next page and see what happened further. As a test of strength, said Sun, let us see which of us can take the coat off that man. Easy, I can do that in no time, bragged North Wind. Go on then, said Sun. I will watch you from behind the cloud. Now what happened? The Sun said to the North Wind, okay, we will see who is more strong. And we will see who is strong by testing who can take off the coat of the man. Take out the coat of this man who is walking on the road. So now what did the North Wind say? North Wind said, oh, it is very easy. I can just do it in 2 minutes. I can do it in no time. Sun said, okay, go ahead. Go on. You do that first. We'll try you first. And I am going to watch you from behind the clouds. North Wind blew and blew. It blew so hard that the birds clung to the trees. The world was filled with dust and leaves. It became cold and the ground was covered with frost. The man started to shiver. The harder the wind blew, the tighter he clung to his coat to keep himself warm. North Wind blew with all his strength, but the man bent himself against the wind and held his coat tighter still. For all his puffing and panting, North Wind could not do anything. So now what happened? The North Wind blew and blew very, very strong and very hard. So strong it blew that the birds tried to clung to the trees, hold the tree branches very tightly so that they don't fly away. And the world was filled with a lot of dust and leaves. You see now, children, when the storm comes, a lot of dust is there in the air and a lot of leaves and all, and things start blowing. Similarly, when the north wind blew very fast and hard, the dust and leaves also started blowing and flowing filling the sky, and it became cold, and the ground cover was covered with frost. What is frost? A thin layer of ice. It became so cold, imagine, that the ground was covered with a thin layer of ice. That is frost. And the man who was walking on the road, he started to shiver out of cold. He started feeling very cold, even in that heavy coat. And he started to shiver. He held his coat very tight because of the wind before it comes out. He held his coat so tight to keep himself warm, and so that it would not blow away with the wind. And for this, all the puffing and panting. What does puffing and panting means? All the blowing out of air, the blowing of the air that the north wind was doing, the north wind just could not do anything, nothing at all. So let's read further now. I give up, gasped North Wind at last. I have got no more puff left. Now it is my turn, said Sun, as it emerged from the cloud. Sun warmed the air and the frosty ground. What a lovely day it is turning out to be. Everything is so beautiful and bright. I want to enjoy the warmth, thought the man. Then sun grew brighter and brighter. Now finally what happened? The north wind said, I give up. Matlab, I can't do any more hard blowing and of the wind. I give up. I can't win. I think so. He gasped. Gasp means breathing with difficulty. He was so tired of blowing so strong. I have got no more puff left. Then the sun said, now it is my turn. The sun emerged from the behind the clouds. That is, it came out from behind the clouds and it said, chalo, okay, it's now my turn. Now let me see what I can do. The sun warmed the air and the frosty ground. It started becoming warm. What a lovely day it is turning out to be. Everything is so bright and beautiful. I want to enjoy the warmth. The man who was walking with the coat on, he thought. Suddenly it started becoming nice and warm, bright. The sun became brighter and brighter, and it became nice and warm. The man who was walking on the road, he said, it's looking so nice and warm and nice and beautiful and bright. I want to enjoy the warmth of the sun. Children, you like to be in the sun in the winter season, isn't it so? To get the warmth of the sun. Really, isn't it so? Yes. We come to the next page now. It is too warm for this heavy winter coat, the man said to himself. He removed his coat and walked on with it, hanging loosely in his arms. He was glad to complete his journey, more lightly clad. Then Sun turned to North Wind and said, so, who is stronger, you or me? So now what happened? As it started becoming warmer and warmer, that heavy coat that the man was wearing, he started feeling very hot in it. So he took it out and he removed the coat and he put it on his arms and started walking on his journey to complete his journey wherever he was going. And he was feeling more lightly clad, means slightly less covered with clothes. So what happens, children? When the wind blows, we don't want to take off our coat or sweater, isn't it so? But when there is bright sun or it starts becoming hot, we want to take out our coat and sweater or blazer, whatever we are wearing, isn't it so? So similar thing happened here. So then the sun told the north wind, now tell me, who is stronger, you or me? Now the bet was that who takes off the coat of that man, and the wind was not able to, but the sun was stronger. So it was able to take off the coat of that man who was walking on the road. So children, finally what message do we get from this story? This story tells us that we should never be very proud of whoever we are, whether the north wind or whether the sun. None of us, or even if how strong we are as human beings, we should not be proud of the strength, the powers or the talents that we have. We should be humble in front of God and use whatever good we have for the good of others, and never ever be proud. Okay children, I hope you have understood the lesson well. Please read the lesson at least 2 times at home. Alright? Bye bye.